Hi everyone, if you are like me and attached to your cell phone and we get those occasional or not so occasional unidentified numbers calling our house phones or cell phones, who's on the other end? Maybe pranksters, telemarketers. It's becoming such a widespread problem, but there is a very easy solution and you have landed on it. It's called a reverse phone lookup service. If you have not heard of a service like this before, you can find out a lot about the person calling your phone, where they are located, or even more information if you decide to look for it. For whatever reason, maybe you want to find out where a certain cell phone is located. Find out if your partner is cheating on you. Make sure your child is exactly where they say they are. See exactly what your employee is really doing when they call in sick. Basically, your results should show you the name, address and location of the person calling your phone, or even use it to find out the location of where you lost your phone. Simply go to our reverse mobile lookup website by following the link below the video and start your free search using one of your most annoying or harassing cell phone numbers. You may be really surprised at the results you find. Good luck!